Start drawing the cup of popcorn. To complete this step, draw your two slightly slanted straight lines like this, using one arc connected to the lower end of two previously drawn straight lines. At the top of curve, draw same arc as like, placing them at the top of the straight line. Okay. Then, above the previously drawn elements, draw a lot of arcs and rounded lines of various sizes. Okay. Then, to make your drawing is look more voluminous and realistic, add a lot of rounded lines. Then make some more lines. Inside the previously drawn outline of the curve, you need to draw a lot of straight lines.